Since 1956, people from San Antonio and all over the country have enjoyed riding the miniature train through Brackenridge Park, which at one point was the longest miniature train track in the world. In 2001, San Antonio Zoo adopted the Brackenridge Eagle. Throughout the years, as passengers increased, 2 more trains were added to its fleet.
I love to see the children and the adults and the enjoyment they get out of riding the train. I was here in 2007 when we got our last new train, and so it'd be great to see some more new trains coming. It's the greatest job in the world. I love it. I have a motto actually that I try to live by. Try to be the reason why somebody smiled today. I just like it.